You know that moment when it finally hits you. They're not coming back. Or maybe worse, they could come back. But you know deep down you shouldn't take them. Either way, your heart feels like someone's wrung it out and you can't quite remember what it's like to breathe without that ache. Let's talk about how to heal after you've been really hurt in love. Not in a fluffy, just love yourself way, but in a real step-by-step, let's get you through this way. Step 1. Let yourself feel it. I know, it's tempting to keep busy, pretend you're fine, or scroll your way out of the pain, but you can't heal what you refuse to feel. So give yourself space. Cry if you need to. Write angry letters you never send. Get the pain out of your body instead of locking it in. Ask yourself, what am I really feeling right now? Hurt, betrayal, loneliness, all of it? Naming it makes it less scary. Here's the thing. Every time you replay those memories, stalk their socials, or go over what ifs, you're picking at the wound. You can't build a future while living in a past that's already closed its doors. This might mean deleting messages, unfollowing them, even boxing up things that remind you of them. It's not about pretending they never existed. It's about creating enough distance to let your heart start breathing again. Right now, your mind might not be the most reliable place to live. When we've been hurt in love, we second guess ourselves. We wonder if we deserved it. We can spiral. This is when you need safe people, friends, family, a therapist, people who will hold the mirror up and remind you of who you are when you forget. Who in your life makes you feel calmer just by being there? Call them. Step 4. Rebuild your routines. After heartbreak, even getting out of bed can feel heavy. That's why small daily actions matter more than ever. Make your bed, take a shower, eat something nourishing, move your body even if it's just a walk. These little acts say, I'm still here, I'm still choosing me. Step 5. Stop looking for a replacement. This is where a lot of people get stuck, jumping straight into another relationship to fill the silence. Don't. You're not broken, but your heart needs time to reset its compass. The right partner will come, but first, you've got to be able to recognize them. And that only happens when you've done your own work. Could you spend the next few months getting to know yourself again instead of rushing to find someone new? Imagine the version of you who walks into your next relationship whole, not half-healed. Step 6. Give the pain a purpose. The truth is, pain changes us, but we get to choose how. You can let it make you bitter, or you can let it make you wiser. Ask yourself, what did I learn about what I will and won't accept? What boundaries will I hold next time? And how can I turn this chapter into a stepping stone instead of a scar that never fades? Step 7. Remember, this is temporary. Right now, it might feel like you'll never get over this, but heartbreak isn't a life sentence. One day you'll wake up and the heaviness will feel lighter. One day you'll laugh and mean it. One day you'll hear their name and feel nothing. It doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen. And when it does, you'll be stronger, clearer, and ready for a love that actually deserves you. You don't need to rush into anything. The right person will be out there. But for now, the best thing you can do is fall in love with your own life first. Because when you meet them, and you will, you'll know it's not about fixing you. It's about sharing something beautiful you've already built. If this video resonated with you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another video that might just help. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you are not alone, you are not broken, and you are so much stronger than you think.